Okay, I'm also going to be doing number 12 from page 305, and this one asks you to graph it. Now I need to graph it using slope-intercept form. And so I have, this is my slope, this is my M or my slope, and this is my y-intercept, which is also called the B. So what I'm going to do is graph it like I would just an equation. The only thing different is now it's an inequality, so I'm going to be doing one of a few things. Is if it's greater than or equal to, I have a solid line and I shade it down or below the line. If it's less than or equal to, I have a solid line that I'm making my line and I'm going to shade up. If it's greater than, it's dashed line and I shade up, or if it's less than, it's a dashed line and I shade down. So as you can see, I have a greater than or equal to. So I'm going to be doing this. It's going to be a solid line and I'm going to be shading below that line. Okay, so with my slope and y-intercept, my y-intercept or my B is a -1 and my slope is 1/4. So I'm going to take that y-intercept, and I did not have graph paper, I'm at home, so I had to make my own little graph here. I'm starting at the -1 on the y-axis. That is my intercept. My y-intercept is this -1 on the y-axis. Okay, that's this portion of my inequality. And then I'm going to be using my slope or my rise over run to make the next point. And it is a positive slope, so I'm looking to make a line that is uphill. So from this point, I'm going up 1 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, making a line or a dot. I am then going to count. I'm going to make one over here and go down 1 and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make my dot. Okay, as I said earlier, this is a solid line and it is going to be shaded below. Okay, so let me make that solid line real quick. I am holding the camera, so I'm going to put it down for a minute to make my line. Oops. Okay, thank you. Now I have my line as straight as I could get it, and I am shading it, as I said, down or below. So I'm just going to kind of do like a little kind of a bit of shading. It doesn't have to be perfect, but enough to know that it's below the line. And pretty much what that means is anything in the shading and including in the line is a solution to this inequality. Anything above the line that is not shaded is not a solution to the inequality.